Ka toki te titi, ka toki te ka tangi hoki a hau tihau, Māori ora. No mai hara mai, we are down here in Pukekohe today, watching semi-final today between Tai Tokerau versus Waipounamu. On the bench today, we've got a good man here, S, long time supporter of hockey out here in the Pukekohe community. Played with him many years. Great goalkeeper, one of my first ones that I would say that I thought was one of the better goalkeepers I've ever seen. But he's also down here today. Also puts a lot of effort into the hockey community with Heritage. He's on that committee there too. So they just went overseas to Australia and had a big tournament. I'll hand it over to you, Es. How are you today?
Kia ora whānau, thanks Rani. How is everybody? Welcome to sunny Pukekohe. It's a beautiful day out here and looks like we've had a pretty awesome weekend so far.
It's been unreal.
Is this day 2 for the tournament?
Day 3.
Wow.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, Sunday today.
Oh, this boy doesn't look too good with the shiner on.
Yeah,
but,
Kiwi took a shiner.
Yeah. So yeah, it's hey, this is probably a lot like what we do with the Indians, but yeah, it seems to be a lot bigger and a lot more teams. And yeah, it's more regional and family, I guess, as well. Rani, you can run us through that.
Yeah, 100%. Māori hockey, celebrating Māori players for sure. It's super awesome just to get everyone out here. There's been a few players that have come through the Māori ranks lately that have even jumped into the New Zealand fixtures. So it's such an opportunity for young players who are Māori to actually get an opportunity to be seen out here. And also, like you said, be connected to culture.
Yeah, I think that's a great thing about it, right?
100%.
Keeping everyone connected, keeping everyone together, and what a better way of doing it than playing sport.
100%. Ooh, she's definitely pretty windy out here, but Waipounamu will be used to that down the south.
So that's looking at your screen there, right on the right side. Is that correct?
Yep, we've got Tama on the ball. She used to help out a lot for us at Tamaki. Beautiful ball down the side there. Ooh, a little bit of early nerve jitters here. Big tackle.
Just how would the bodies be holding up after what, a couple of games? These guys would have all played 3 games already, is that correct?
100%. I think everyone's getting a bit tired, so that's where it shows where the use of subs has been worked in by the coaches.
And what have we got here? Have you got 18 in the squad, or is it 16s?
I think it's 16s.
Yeah. Oh, hang on.
Only running 1 keeper at the moment.
You see 3 on the bench for 4. There you go, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, yeah, so you must be running it hot.
Oh, what a beautiful overhead. Unfortunately, didn't pick up. See here, Tai Tokerau just trying to settle here.
Plenty of instructions coming from the sideline there. Oh, what a great ball.
That's a beautiful overhead, right to the top. What's she going to do? Oh, it's still in. Oh, just wide.
That's a great overhead.
100%. She had it on the pin.
It's great to see the ladies getting into the ones that can do it properly, start using it, because it hasn't been much of the ladies' game in the past, has it?
100%. I definitely think I've seen it become more of a part of the game for the women's game. Especially at Heritage when I was watching, when the Punjabi team came over, they had that girl.
Jeet.
Unreal. She was throwing 50 metres.
Yeah, I think 200 test caps for India, so that might do it for you, Rani.
Yeah, well, it's good to see it though. I think it's good for everyone to see it, that it's possible. I think as soon as players see other players do things, they pick it up pretty quick.
Yeah, yeah. And just I think a lot of it's to do with the confidence factor.
100%. That's one thing that's awesome about Heritage hockey and Māori hockey too. Just being able to have opportunities to play in a different experience and try a different position. A lot of players usually stuck in one position in their clubs, and they come here and they get to really thrive.
And I think it's all about the flair, because
100%.
everyone plays flair. You're not playing that, say, European style, You know, you can play with your own little bit of flair. You've got different coaches that offer different things, you know, across the board.
That's it.
You know, it's great to see some of the Asian teams come through.
Yeah, they've done really well.
Yeah, they've done really well, and especially in the ladies space, you know. Some big names there, obviously Julia King, who's one of the...
yeah, few black stick caps in that player right there from Somerville.
Yeah, so she's the face of Asian hockey, if I know she wouldn't like me saying that, but she's been pretty awesome, and she was pretty awesome for us over in Melbourne, part of that heritage campaign we had over there.
Just setting up here. Tai Tokerau just setting up really nice there and playing the small games just to get out of their own half.
Yeah, some good meters around there.
Oh, here we go. We're opening up. Oh, they want to go back.
That's the captain there, isn't it?
Just in the middle.
Sinead Phillips, is that right? She's captain for the day?
I think so.
And she's got, what, 3 of the sisters there as well? Sinead's been great for heritage. You know, she played 1 year for Indians. When we were out at Colmar, it just helped us out. We were short of Indian players. Yeah, she was keen as, so it's been good for us.
I'm pretty sure I saw them down at the Matariki Fives tournament down here in Pukekohe.
Yeah.
And I have a feeling the girls, they might have won.
And these girls here?
Yeah, and maybe Murphy Phillips got MVP or something.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that was only just a month ago, was it? Is that correct?
Matariki, maybe a couple more months.
Yeah.
Been a little bit. Got to make sure I get my potatoes in soon. Should have already had them done.
Well, mate, Labour weekend, eh?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, here we go. We're setting up here. Oh.
Come to the right part of the world for potatoes. You know that, Rani and Pukekohe.
Oh, I know. That's why I thought I'd mention it just for all the brothers out there in the local area. Got a lot of comms back there, which is awesome to hear. Oh!
That's
Amaro with a big hit out of the side.
That's a good safety play out.
There's one way to get it out there. All right, we've got Livia Patu just subbing on now. Up into the midfield.
Yeah, it looks pretty hot out there, and I think they're battling a bit of wind as well, Rani. I think that doesn't help the tired legs, does it?
Not at all, not at all. Also affects the pitch a little bit with a little bit less water on there, so it can get a bit bouncy.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, they've set up wide here. Little punch here from Tai Tokerau.
Too loose there. See if they can connect out of here. Oh, that's great control, isn't it?
Look at this, fresh legs, and she's got the legs to burn.
Yeah, but just good control, back and around,
100%.
as you can see.
Oh, great touch. High luck. Now, if you're unsure here, team, if you see a little red flag on the shoulders of players and wondering what it is, it's actually players who are under 21 who can be selected for the New Zealand Māori under 21s team. So if you see a little red flag on their shoulder, that's so that the scouts out there can see who's playing in that age range.
Yeah.
A couple players out there today. Oh, beautiful, right to the top.
Oh, great trap there.
Yeah, we got Courtney at the back there. She's got that overhead.
Yep.
Just didn't quite find it just then. Oh, beautiful tackle there.
Just unlucky to catch the foot there. You knew what she was trying to do, right?
100% get through, eh? Not afraid to play it in there and out, which is good to see.
Yeah, just there's no way through. They're just pulling it out. But
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Great tackle. Oh, she's still got it. Definitely see Tai Tokerau really wanting to get in there and get that 50-50 ball. Sometimes that's the difference between a game, 50-50, who gets the 50-50 ball.
Yeah, just any little touch, right?
Exactly. That's something's been lost from the game, I think, the upright hit.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful flat upright hit. You know, you don't see that too often. You see a lot of overheads, a lot of sweet passes.
Yeah. I think it's a skill that's getting lost, with some of the younger players, like you say, the slap or the...
Oh! What do we have here? Ref's calling
too high.
Dangerous there. Fair call, fair call. Good positioning, though. That's where you want to be shooting from. Waipounamu just relieving some pressure there. Oh, here we go. Oh, unlucky.
So Rani, just run us through which regions these guys are from the ones that are just maybe picking up.
Yeah, so we got Waipounamu here in the green and black. That's our South Island team. And then we've got all the other way at the other end of the country.
North.
All the way from Northland, Tai Tokerau. The Tanifas, aka the Tanifas.
Shot, save, goalie.
But yeah, they've come all the way from there. Some people have flown. I don't think Northland flew in, that's just driven down. But yeah, we have all the rohi around from each part of the country coming down here today for this tournament.
Let me see the first PC of the game here, Rani.
Yep, let's go. Lock in. Oh,
quite a few shots here. Good save by the goalie. Who we got in goal there? Does it tell us?
We've got... No, we don't have...
What number's on a shirt? 0, I think.
Yeah, maybe Dana. Okay, who we got here? Line out 50. Is that Rochelle on top? Oh! Out it comes. Just a bit wide on the drag out. It's really important to get that to the top as quick as possible.
Maybe that's that dry pitch you're talking about, Rani, just down there.
This wind is killer for it. It just whips up any moisture that's on the turf. Oh, we have a breakaway here.
Yeah.
The cleanup crew has come in. Good tackle. Jesse King there, trying to get it across, didn't quite come off, just a little back of the stick. But Courtney Phillips at the back, just controlling the troops. Yeah, really vocal there.
That's what you're finding, they're not scared to come back and around and just hold the ball. Probably got the better out. You know, they're just not panicking going forward in every play.
Yeah, definitely the way it's looking out here. Just always giving that option out wide too.
There's your upright hit.
Just having a look over to the bench there. It looks like Waipounamu doesn't have any subs.
I'm going to have a better look there, Rani. I think you're right.
So they must be like holding off a little bit. They haven't really been pushing too hard, so they might be just saving the legs.
No, that's tough, eh? That's tough hockey when you have no subs. So
not at all.
Hopefully that's not the case, and I hope there's not any injuries. So
yeah. There's been a couple injuries. You and I just saw that guy come past with the bruised eye. Akiwa?
Akiwa, that's right.
Pretty sure he plays for Waikato, Manuapoto. He's a big part of their team too in that midfield. He played at Heritage too for the New Zealand Māori team. Oh, here we go. Here's a break. Tamara coming in to clean up.
Oh, great save. It's Simple out.
Just waited nicely too. She knew what was happening.
Yeah, he was also involved in a tri-series we had with the Queensland team last year for under-18s heritage. A few of these boys.
Is it inside?
Oh, we have one sub. Apologies. Thank you for clearing that up. She was hiding in the back of the dugout there.
Keeping out of the sun.
This is Alice Porter on the ball. It looked like she took a hit from the hand earlier on. Great through ball. Oh, just a little bit too much on it. And there's Caleb Bean. Set ready to go again. If she got that, I reckon she'd be putting shots on goal.
You've only sent a couple away. A couple of shots on goal early in the piece, and then that PC just went misfired.
And that is our first quarter done, 0-0. What's your first thoughts of the first quarter, S?
Yeah, it's just yeah, just the movement's been well, eh? The blue, sorry, that's Tai Tokerau. Is it right for me to just call him Tai or Tai Tokerau? They've been going really well.
I'll give you Northland.
No.
Just call them the Tunifas.
Yeah, true. No, they've been going well, like the back and rounds, and I think they're the ones that have been finding the circle a bit easier. Maybe the fresh legs and the rotations they have, you know, and just controlling the speed of the game as well.
Yeah.
As we see a few of the highlights here.
I definitely feel like Waipounamu has been holding on, though, making sure they get in front of the player.
Yeah.
Just making it hard for them.
And I think that comes with those senior players at the back for them, you know, just being able to find the right lines, positioning, and just, you know, their big clears are helping them out. Just that straight hit, as you say.
100%. And especially with Tamara at the back there, a lot of experience.
Yeah.
She'll be controlling the troops.
But, you know, once the game drags on a bit, I think, you know, the tired legs might... Yeah, that's what you worry about in these games, you know, when you're down to one sub, it's always tough.
Definitely.
That was a good save by the goalie there, and that just, yeah, did well. Smothering that play.
Yeah, that's one thing you want from your defenders, always on the pads. I think sometimes a lot of players get caught just letting the shot happen and not clearing the pads, but as you can see there, the players were in there. Waipounamu not showing any tiredness, getting out there straight away. Bit of a mind game, I reckon, out there.
Yeah, the coach, Tai Tokerau, was Brad Pittman, who's usually up in the commentary box here, but he's been called in for the big job.
Yeah, he said to me I could keep his seat warm for this game, but after that he'll be right back in.
Yeah, no.
Bit of back and forth here between these two young players. Northland takes it quick. Ref is not happy with that. Just having a few words there. Oh, what a play. Here we go. So second cut through there.
It's a nice bit
from one of the Phillips girls there.
Yeah, I think that was, is that right?
Murphy. If I'm right.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Tamara on the ball. Te Waipounamu with the outlet from the referee there. Quick break from them.
Oh, that was a great ball.
Well, they're going to play the corner. That's Keela at the back there. Just taking your time. Oh!
Oops.
Oh, misfire there.
Yeah.
Big tackle there. Ref doesn't like it.
What are young under-21s players?
Yeah, that's
there?
Alice Porter there.
Oh, nice.
Been in this corner for a little bit. Bit of pressure here from Te Waipounamu. They get away with it. Great movement here. Phillips sister covering very well. Just shielding it to the side.
Korea Jones, is that right? Korea Jones. Nice bit of skill there.
We've been down here for about 2-3 minutes now. Tai Tokerau setting up very well there, just getting set early, which is good. Not afraid to go back here. There's Shanae just moving the ball forward fast. She's quick on it. Good double team. Oh, beautiful here getting the cross. Let's Liv on the ball. Going for the 1v1.
Doing well, yep.
We have a PC here, another one, a second one here. We're still at 0-0 here. 5 minutes into the second quarter.
I think Tita's changed it up a bit here now. They've got a bit more direct. They were going back and around before, but now they just seem to be going a bit more direct. There's little interplays.
We're setting up one bracket here. 3 on the post. On the right side. Look out for a slide right.
Bit of an overload there.
Big time. Oh, just going for the short handle. Could be an upright hit. Oh, back to the middle. Players are scrambling.
Oh,
Well cleared there
Nice
by
defence
Te
there.
Waipounamu.
not out of the woods yet.
Foo, straight through. Te Waipounamu get a jail card free there. Oh, unfortunate there. The legs are getting tired. Little plays like that come with a bit of fatigue after 3 days of games.
Yeah. Tito had plenty of time there on that piece here, didn't they? They just well defended though.
Definitely. Like I said before, clearing the pads is so important there. Just having your defenders willing to get in there, put their body on the line. Te Tai Tokerau.
Te Tai Tokerau.
That's it.
There you go. Apologies, everybody.
We'll get you there by the end of it, don't you worry. Just taking their time here, Te Tai Tokerau. Opening up the middle there.
Smart play, wasn't it? Oh,
Murphy on the ball. Oh, she lost it there.
See where they're going with that, but just, yeah, Phillips was up to the challenge with the reverse.
Timer with the poke. She gets away too. She's happy about that. Little double team on Sinead. She's not worried, just calm and composed. Lovely pass out wide. Another one goes. Here we go. Beautiful pass. Another one across the circle. They still have the ball. She shoots.
Good save.
Great save.
Good shot. Good save. Well done.
Dana Mason with a beautiful save there. Good work from, good ball movement there by Te Tai Tokerau. They were hoping to get in there, I think. Oh, wow. Look at the power on that. If that was rugby league, that's a 40-20, I reckon.
Should we introduce that to the game, you think, Ronnie?
Do you know, if we did, might change things up, might make it a bit faster. I don't know, might put too much power in the overhead game.
Yeah, I think you're right there.
Kind of like that old rule they had if you hit it from outside the circle and it hits a player and goes in the goal. From the defending team, it was a goal.
Yeah, that was...
I'd love to know who thought about that rule. Have a chat with them.
It wasn't very smart, was it? It was a pretty... yeah, that was a funny rule for one season. I think it lasted, didn't it?
It didn't last long, I'd say
it should have just lasted maybe one game. Or they thought about it.
Or maybe just one talk and never talked about it again.
Yeah, that was interesting, especially as a goalie, it was quite interesting. So, and that was from anywhere over the halfway, wasn't it?
Anywhere over halfway, so dudes were just smoking it in.
Yeah.
But if you have a hit like Tamara, you'd be definitely going for it.
Yeah, it's a bit like, fast fives. Just crack it from anywhere.
I think they've changed the rule there. You can't hit it above the backboard from within halfway.
Yeah, it started getting a bit dangerous, didn't it?
Yeah. Bit gun happy. Got some big comms there.
Yep. Haley, get on the other side. We'll hear that.
Oh, we're in the circle again. Bit of composure here to clear. Oh!
Oh, good control. Is that Haley, is it? Haley Bean?
I think so.
She's doing well. Had that shot at goal earlier.
Liv on the ball. She's looking for that far post. Oh, bit of body there. The ref's given it to Te Tai Tokerau.
Didn't like that challenge, I don't think.
No. I don't think it was definitely, it wasn't any malice in it. I think you got a bit of fatigue out there.
Yeah, a bit more like the old lose your balance, I think.
That's it. Catch yourself so you don't fall. Or the ball, great through ball. Waipounamu clearing the pads once again, but it's not out. Our goalie here is also up for 21's selection. So seeing all these good saves will be helping her.
They're just helping her confidence as well, you know, like as a young keeper you need that. She's seeing the ball well. Had a couple of good saves, so that'll be doing wonders for her confidence.
Definitely. Keeping this Waipounamu team in the game too.
Yep, yep. And I think the defence has been helping her out big time. You know,
Definitely.
the
Clearing
ladies
those
at the back.
pads.
Yep. Not looking at anything special out of there, just straight over the sideline. Just play it safe.
Oh! Quick little play here.
Oh.
Beautiful cutback there by Kyla. Oh, sorry, that's wrong.
No.
Other side.
Yeah,
Jessie.
Jessie
My
King.
apologies. Jessie King there. Beautiful cutback.
Jessie been pretty awesome today. Those close-in skills, just, you know, the traps, she's always trapping and just...
Putting full effort in. Going to the middle here. Looking wide. Not quite hard enough there. This little turn and control is real important here for Waipounamu. Making sure they get back. Double team here on the tackle. She's still got the ball. They get out again.
Yeah.
This Waipounamu defence today hasn't been making too many mistakes, to be honest, once we're in the circle.
And keeping it on their forehand, you know, body positions low, keeping it on their forehand, just staying out of trouble, staying it away from their feet. That's the main thing. No PCs are given away.
Beautiful ball out wide, and it's through, cutting back inside. Oh, no way. Oh, she got it.
Yes.
That's a
What
beautiful.
trap. Nice little quick play of the ball.
Yeah, it's good to see that contention for that ball. Got 30 seconds left here. The team knows that very well. If they can get in that circle and get a PC, that's an opportunity for them. Oh, Stacey on the... Ooh. Got a long corner here. We've got 18 seconds. Do they have enough time? We've got 3 seconds. And that will do it to half time.
That's Orange's Rani. What are your thoughts?
I definitely feel like Tai Tokerau is definitely having a lot more control, but Waipounamu is definitely holding it down out the back there.
Yeah, some smart play at the back, so I think their defence has just been holding strong. Back there, the goalie's made a couple of good, like 3 or 4 good saves, right?
It looks like we've got a lot of like seniority / experience down the back there that's probably helping that.
Yeah, some nice easy outs. We'll see some of those replays coming through in the next few moments. But yeah, these it looks like a change of goalie as well, maybe.
Oh, we do have a change. What was the switch? Yeah, that may look like the case. Tonight we've got the Paul Whakanaho, so if you guys, if anyone's down in Pukekohe, you're welcome to come down and see. All the teams will be performing Waiata and Haka. You may even sneak yourself a cheeky hangi, that's it.
Yeah.
If you're quick, they go pretty quick these days.
So that's down at the PIA Event Centre, so that's just the Indian Community Hall on Ward Street.
Yeah, big shout out to S for helping sort that out for us. He's a big part of the Indian hockey community group out here, and he's happily let us get involved and be able to use that building for our event tonight, which has been we're super appreciative of that. So thank you, S.
No, it's no problem. Like, we're all the same community, aren't we? And it's a big venue, and it'll be ideal for your performances tonight. You know.
Yeah.
Got 700 chairs out, and I'm sure they're all going to go.
That's crazy. When I looked at it, I was like, that room's huge. It's going to be super exciting. It's definitely Waireki's a good team to look out for. They've always got a good little bracket going on. It's one thing I've found from Māori hockey is it's a great place for people who haven't really been brought up in their Māori culture to actually have a little insight into it and kind of break into that space of what they can see and be a part of, to be honest.
Yeah, so just reconnect with culture, family 100%. And friends, obviously.
Yeah, especially for a lot of dudes growing up in Auckland, you don't get to live or see much Māori culture when it depends on the community you're from, especially even if you're in Te Waipounamu, likes of Christchurch and things like that. You're not always getting to be a part of like the marae culture and growing up on that space. So coming to Māori hockey is such an amazing place for a lot of young people who haven't been able to connect before, to be able to connect in different ways, and especially if you're good at hockey and then get to come out of that. We've had dudes who've had full-on Māori name changes just from coming here.
So is that more prevalent in, say, your smaller country areas, you think, or your smaller regions being a lot more connected?
I think our smaller regions are a lot more connected, definitely. The likes of Tairāwhiti, Takitimu, Waiariki.
Yeah.
You know, a lot more going on there with Māori culture, but it's been so amazing to see the introduction of people who have never got to experience any of that and get to share that whakawhanaungatanga with the likes of other players. I was talking to Tūwhari Toa, who's from Waiariki. He's also played for New Zealand Māoris many times, and we were talking about how cool it is for when players get selected for that New Zealand team, and they really get to share between the different rohi, the different groups.
Yes.
And really bring each other together and share that we're all Māori, we're all playing hockey, and even though we might fight on the field, we're still one big family at the end of the day.
Yeah, that's what we found. Like an extension of that was just this heritage campaign in Melbourne. Like we picked obviously players from the heritage tournament, which is held over Easter. And with the two heritage, like the men's team and the ladies team, we had 12 different countries represented. You know?
That's so many.
How cool is that? You know, so that was just just something we did on our shirt presentation night. We just counted up what different nationalities were involved, and it was awesome. You know, like getting different players involved from all different areas. So
definite, and it's also what you guys have done with that heritage has really made it something to strive for a lot of these young players out there. There's actually a reason to come out and play at these tournaments.
Yeah, and it's not because not everyone's going to be playing for New Zealand, right?
That's it.
No, but some of you, and you just see those guys shine, the young ones shine. You know, that's what it's all about.
100%. And shout out to, I'm just going to shout out the brother Hemi Hickson here, aka Hemi Hickson, big boy for Tāmaki Makota. He's just about to get his first cap for the Black Six coming up.
Really?
Yep, he just got listed. So
how cool.
That's a big story for us at Māori hockey to see that happen, especially before that. Some would say he would have never made it, but the bro's come through and proved himself and shown them wrong.
That's awesome, Hemi. Like we've had another one through our heritage ranks, Milan Patel, who's a local Pukekohe boy.
Yeah, played counties under 15s and then out to Harbour.
Yep.
Somehow we'll have to get him back out here.
Maybe in the Masters days. Here we go, is the kicking off to the our second half.
Another beautiful overhead to the top of the circle. That's the second one from her today.
What do you think in the second half? What are they going to bring running?
To be honest, I think Te Waipounamu is looking for their one opportunity. They're just waiting for that one break. They can get a PC. Tamara's going to come up and bang it bottom left. That's my prediction if they play. But they're going to have to be really, really composed here. In the circle.
Good save.
Off the pads. Tai Tokerau picks it up. Another beautiful tackle here. We have a PC. 2 minutes in and we're on a PC here. I think that was shot from outside the circle, but it is hard when there's a lot of players in there to know where it's come from. It's best to save it.
Yeah, you just don't know, like as a goalie, when there's so many feet around and you're just not sure. And then when you're that far out, you're not sure who's on your post either. You know, you might get that sneaky winger like you've done in the past. Sitting on the post, you know.
We love it.
Too lazy to run back, so you sit at the post.
Hey man, after 3 games, it's tough to get back.
Here we go, Snow with the drag.
Oh, it's a short variation. Going far post.
Wow.
And they get it. Goes narrow. Tai Tokerau with the goal deflection.
No.
It was off the reverse deflection there from, I believe it was Shanae.
We might see that replay come through, but I think that's the breakthrough they're looking for, right? They've been peppering that goal for a little while.
Just off that narrow. Oh no, it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Off the spot. Apologies.
That was a big play. They needed that.
I think that's going to build a bit of confidence here for Tai Tokerau. It's going to be hard for Waipounamu to pull it back now, but they've still got 2 quarters to do it.
You're still fresh in this second half.
Beautiful hands there. Gets the foot. Cross ball. Another one. The defense here is very good. Not afraid to get their body in front of the ball, which is good to see. Like you said, forehand again. Body position and forehand from S, really important.
Is that number 60, Rochelle, has been putting in those bombs, and just that upright, uncanny dribbling style of hers is just carving them up. She's going really well. Some nice through balls through on that reverse, and she's got the ball again. Or is that 80? I can't see.
No,
it is 60, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh,
or if it's 80, it's Liv.
Liv.
Yep.
Liv.
It's Liv.
Yeah, I think that's Liv. Yeah, sorry, apologies.
Big clearance there.
Just taking a bit of pressure off. Give everyone a bit of a breather, I think.
Reset. Oh, a through ball here. Oh, it's gone through 3.
Oh, good trap there.
Oh, here we go. Tai Tokerau coming in here. What's she going to do? To the top, unselfish. Oh.
I thought Sophie might have gone for a bit of a reverse.
Yeah.
If it was the guys playing, she would have gone for a diving reverse or something, right?
Alice wasn't afraid. She got in there. She may have took a little hit there, but not. Yep. Doesn't look too serious. Very brave of her, especially when a player's swinging like that. You've got to be real careful where you put your head.
Stacey Gribble here, right half, has been awesome. Just solid as, you know.
Yeah, I think she got hit earlier too when they had a shot. Yeah. She just shaked it off, kept going.
Yep, bit of experience there, just...
Murphy there with the ball. She takes it quick. Shot there, straight into feet. We have another PC here for Tai Tokerau.
It's a pretty quick 5. Fast, eh?
She did. It's always hard to know how far's far. There's always a lot of people out there that know the exact measurement of 5 these days.
Yeah.
From the sideline.
Sometimes not the umpire either, eh, Rani?
Well, you know, I think they've even put that dotted line there to help, but sometimes I wonder if it helps. Yeah, just catching the foot there.
Same setup as a bit last time.
Got through on that wide post. Oh, we got the crisscross back to the top.
Save, goalie.
Tamara in the middle there.
Oh, their
I
defence.
think we're going to have to hand it here to Brad Pittman here. He's been putting in a lot of variations into the A's and the B's girls team for Tai Tokerau.
Yeah.
A lot of variations coming out here. Some could say all the hockey's watching. He's got a lot of that he's seen while he's been commentating, so he's got a lot in the repertoire.
Oh man, that fella puts his drone up and he's got maps of the field and he's got it all sorted, man. It's been
Beautiful work there. Good composure from Tamara there. Oh, lovely one too. Is she going to get there? Just a little bit too much. I reckon game one, she would have been all over it.
Yeah, yeah. The intent was there. You know, that's the thing. Just keep trying it. It'll come off. Right?
100%. Ooh.
The idea was to wrap it around, I think, not...
Yeah. Good skills there. Ooh, if that had gone through, it was a 2-on-1.
You know what I think here? I think this one here that's chasing, that might be the goalie that was playing in the first half.
You know, you might be right there.
Number 12.
Carla Jones.
I don't know.
Yeah, you could be right.
She hasn't got shinnies on.
No, she's holding her stick a bit different.
Yeah, yeah. If I call it, Rani, you owe me $5, all right?
Oh.
Or a toasted sandwich.
Yeah, definitely. Up to you. Up to you. I could definitely get either.
I'm pretty sure.
What do you have on your toasted sandwiches?
Whatever, man. Oh, that's the one.
They make a pretty good ham, cheese and onion toasty up there. Old Mark Karke's up there in the canteen. We've got a breakaway here. Crossball goes. Oh!
That was the one.
That would have been the opportunity.
Good ball across.
Smiles on the faces of Te Waipounamu. That's what we love to see. Beautiful tackle there. Just been good on that. Oh, top circle.
No, it's just got away from her a bit. We haven't seen much of the middle, have we? They've been going around the flanks quite a bit.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Bit of a tangle.
Tai Tokerau taking their time. I think Te Waipounamu will be happy with that.
Yeah, 5 left to go in this quarter.
She's pretty windy out here.
A little bit fresh, eh?
Yeah. Sorry, we've got a bit of wind here, team. Backing around here for Tai Tokerau.
Yeah, just taking it's a bit of a slower build up. Oh, that's nice, eh? Finding it.
Oh, Gecko. Let's go with a little cutback.
That's nice. Just an easy ball for her to run onto.
We're cutting back to the middle. She's straightened up. This is Liv here.
That's nice.
They're not afraid to give and go here, Tai Tokerau.
Oh.
Big tackle there.
She's looking at the umpire, trying to get something from her.
Oh, it's through. Phillips there. Oh, here we go.
Control. How's that?
She cut. Oh, beautiful tackle there.
Oh, what? How's that? Oh, unlucky. That was
just done for obstruction there.
Yeah, just got too far in front of her, I think. But how's that? Stick control.
For those who are unaware, you can't back into the play with your body and have the ball in the behind you. So it's just unfortunate there that the momentum was going the wrong way for it.
Yeah, Tamara just got caught up there a little bit.
Oh, what a! Oh, that was a must-make trap. Or the double team there. We have a 2-on-1 little play. Oh, just missed through the goalie's leg. She will be so gutted with that.
That was, like you said, any young player, sit on that post with your stick down will be the best mistrap you make.
Yeah, Kaylee Bean has been in some good attacking positions there in the circle. She's yet to put it away, but I'm sure it'll come if she keeps persisting. Oh, we've got a cross. Top circle is asking for someone. Sia Johnson just coming on now here to freshen up some fresh legs with their 1 sub.
Number 5, yep.
They must have 2 subs now that they've got the goalie.
I reckon that's what's happened.
That's a pretty strategical play they've got going on there. Add a bit of legs, it might be enough to help them out to get back up for one.
Yeah, it just helps, you know, like takes the pressure off some of the players.
100%.
1 minute, that's all you need to refresh, right?
That's it. Clear a bit of the lactic acid in the legs. Oh, that was unintentional, but she's gonna... Is she getting sent?
No,
No.
it was unintentional.
Wasn't pretty. Happens sometimes. Definitely no malice in that one. Good to see her get up without too many worries. It's never good to see players go down and stay down.
Yeah. He's going to play out a bit of time here,
A
I
little
think.
pressure here. 2 minutes left here. Just playing the small games here, T-Tai. Oh, beautiful little 1-2s here. Look at them. There's a lot of...
yeah, that's...
unfortunate there, but there's a lot of chemistry going through the team. They must play a lot together.
Yeah, but like you're saying, just those small games, you know, just keeping it short. And keep trying it. Doesn't matter if it doesn't work every time. It'll come off. Yep.
Redemption there for Tamara. Oh. Clean up crew down the back there. Oh, what a trap. Oh, she cuts back in. The pass is good. Oh, just wide.
What a shot. That was, got plenty into it.
It was a good build up there. It was all from that little press here. See this? Boom, trap. Cut back. Good connections there. Just a little body on the line. Ooh, just missed hit that. Here we go. Another great pass.
Just got to be careful here. Last few seconds.
30 seconds here. Oh, this is not what they want.
No. Umpire's right.
It is difficult. Missed opportunity there, just from a bit of miscommunications there. That was a good little section there from Te Waipounamu. Bit of pressure put on at the last of that quarter. Hopefully they can bring that back into the fourth. The car park's probably nearly... How full do you reckon the car park was for Indian tournament when it was here?
Yeah, you're getting up there, eh? But a smart fella's park in the other car park.
Oh, yes. That's
the
actually
tennis car park.
the tennis car park.
Yeah.
That's smart. I even forgot about that. We used to go up there for warm-ups.
Yeah, yeah. It's no, it's awesome to see it, eh? Just full to the brim. That's what you want to see. I see a few camper vans out here as well. Is that you, Rani?
Oh, no, not me. I'm local this year. That's such a great idea, though. Save you a bit of money on accommodation.
Yeah, and it's freedom camping in there too.
Oh, good.
You don't have to...
That's on.
Yeah.
We've there's quite a few food stalls down the other end by Turf too. I dipped into some of the fried bread and steak.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was dangerous. I don't think I could do it again. My nutrition coach might tell me that's a bit too much for you for the weekend.
That's the cool thing about these events, isn't it? Just the food.
100%.
That's what brings everyone together.
Food.
Whānau.
That's it. Whakawhanaungatanga.
That's it.
Yeah, it was quite, the pōhiri was awesome too. We got the local marae down and they helped out with the pōhiri.
Oh, nice.
And they had a few of their young fellas get up there with their taiaha to open up for us, which was really, really awesome to see. And Koro Kahu, he got there and took the challenge to walk everyone on, which is such an amazing thing to see one of the heads of Māori hockey leading the way.
Yeah, I must admit, like I wasn't, you know, we haven't had anything like that before, but been involved in a few now with Heritage, and it's such an awesome way to start a tournament, just the pōwhiri, etc., with the welcome and everyone getting to say a few words. You know, it's a great way to start.
100%. I think it goes back to, like I was saying, this opportunity for people who live in those urban environments that don't get to see those ceremonies.
Yeah.
To get to be a part of that, which is cool.
Especially for us. I hear there's well, especially like, you know, some of our Indian players have never seen that or experienced that, so it's such a cool thing to be part of.
100%. Here we go. Tai Tokerau, early pressure here, top circle. Cleaned up by TY. Waipounamu. Oh, she's going to get there. Just missed it.
Some of these numbers are a bit different to our sheet. Hey, Rani, I think.
There's a number 10 that's got no name.
She's been cleaning up everything.
Yeah, I wouldn't have been calling her out, but
I know.
She's anonymous. Jane Doe. Oh, here we go. Great turn. Shots off. Beautiful save.
Ollie. Well done. Oh, good girl.
Very lucky there.
Yeah, keep the feet out of it.
Yeah, she got that out of the way. Just clearing it for a bit of pressure to take off there, so they can reset here. A few gaps opening up with tired legs here now.
Yeah, I think you're right. You can see they're just different strategy for this last quarter. Just
we got a through ball here.
Oh, what a ball.
Cleaned up here. Liv on the ball again. She's got some handles. Little bobble.
What a ball through.
Oh, goal. We have a stroke. We have a stroke.
Yeah.
The ref is calling a stroke, taking out the player there to get the ball. We'd love to see the replay on this.
Look more like a bit of a tangle up between the goalie and her. I don't
Come
think
down the right side here. A lovely through ball, just a bobble, just enough to be annoying. Oh, we lost.
Yeah, we missed that. Sorry, guys, we didn't pan over quick enough, but
we'll never get to know there. We'll never get to know.
So who we got here? Can't see the number of the shirt.
I think it's 75. Courtney Phillips. She's the one with the overhead.
Yep.
Bottom right.
Nice and safe.
That's 2 now for Tai Tokerau.
And I think that was Courtney that scored that goal as well, right? From the PC setup.
Big part of their team right here. Oh, we might have another look at this.
Yeah, that pass was the one, right? Just
here
to
we
bobble
go.
In. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. She caught her feet.
Just unlucky there, that's all. Like you say, no malice in it.
No. All intention was the ball. Beautiful tackle there.
Just caught a little foot. Yeah, nah, too far away, mate. As I say, I think I've got the sails up there.
TY's not giving up here. Still playing hard. People ducking out here, thinking that we're filming.
We've got a
them.
TV screen so we can see it.
We're down there in here. TY on 2 Waipounamu on the ball. Oh, great tackle there. Quick break here. Oh, here we go. The gates are opening to the middle.
Oh, good
She
little
cuts.
drag.
Dragged out wide. Good to push out there by the defense. Great tackle. Liv cuts. Backstack. It's really hard to get low on those. You got to really make sure you get low when you're trying to hit that reverse like that.
Yeah. And Liv's quite tall as well, so it's a long way down. Hey, Rani.
Yeah, I struggle.
Yeah. You've never done one, bro.
That's why. Upright only.
Yeah.
So you see Brad's inside the dugout. Usually he's out on the sideline of he's getting nervous. But seems like he's got it under control today. Beautiful cut there.
Oh, how's that? Smart play.
Oh, well touched. Oh, we have... Oh, no, she won't be happy. She'll thought that was her ball there.
Yeah.
They've got 8 minutes. It is definitely doable to draw it up, take it to a shootout. But we're going to need some real serious energy injection here from TY Waipounamu for that to happen.
Yeah, no, I just think, yeah, they've been conserving a bit of energy through the first 3 quarters, as you can tell. But it's just, yeah, just need that just need a couple of finishes up there. They're definitely getting it up there, right?
100%.
Just a finishing like, and that's both teams as well, you know, it's tired legs, as you say. But the bench, as you can see, Tai Tokerau coming out with a bit of pace, you know.
They're definitely utilising it. I think that's the way the game's going these days. You've got to keep those legs fresh, keep it moving.
So I think Sinead won't stop running.
Just using your speed down the line here.
Yeah, look at that carry, how nice. Oh,
Ooh,
just getting
tied
caught
up
up a bit.
Yeah, well done there. It's experience there.
Bit too far off the mark there. It's the experience part of it, eh? You know.
100%. I think she was thinking there was a striker up there for her.
It's awesome to see a lot of little ones around, running around.
Future hockey players by the looks of things.
Yep, yep.
This whole event's definitely for the whānau. We've got players coming from all areas, bringing their whole families.
Yeah.
A lot of the boys talk about when they used to come out to Māori hockey and always wanted to be playing in the team. They had to wait till they were 14.
So that's high school?
Yeah.
High school's your...
High schools are cut off, I think.
Yeah. Or your starting point.
Yeah. But some of those boys who are on the younger side have jumped up into the pōwhakanahu and jumped in for the haka.
Oh, nice.
For their rohi. So there's definitely a place for all of them here.
Yeah, I remember coming to watch tournaments down here in Pukekohe, but I was over by where Pack and Savers at Bledisloe Park.
Oh, true.
On grass.
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go. The goalie's through.
That's it.
Oh, the ball's gone up. Here we go. Te Waipounamu on the break. Tai Tokerau with a bit of cover here. She's still through. She's about to hit the circle. Great defense there. They'll get the ball for a long. Tamara happy there on the sideline. Look at this, little cut back through. She wanted the one-time bang bang.
Yeah, just stick on the ground over the top.
Just good cover defense there by Tai Tokerau.
Yeah, they don't want to give him anything, eh? It's
Oh, here we go again.
oh,
Just holding that ball very well.
she probably would have liked the advantage, I'd imagine.
Oh, we have a bit of a communication clear up there.
With the boss man in pink.
Yep. Cleared there. Oh, back to the top here. Great tackle. She's still got it.
Oh.
Straight through the legs.
Good composure there. Good goal. Goal scorer was Rochelle Goodman.
That's it. Just held that pill at the top there. Couple tackles, but stood strong on it. Just one there. Two. Straight through the legs.
Yeah, just giving her too much space, right?
Oh, bit of a rush on that.
Coming into the last 3 minutes now.
Tamara asking for that ball up wide. Didn't quite go. Here we go again. TY still playing hard. Oh, great through ball.
Here we go.
Oh, just a little bit of uncontrolled. Oh, great tackle. Still got it.
You can hear the whole South Island cheering her on.
Great tackle.
Does TY got a men's team up as well, Ronnie?
I don't believe
They must do,
so.
wouldn't they? Or no? Surely there's some...
I have to double check.
Yeah.
They've definitely got a women's A team.
Yeah, yeah.
They don't have a B team though for the men's.
Okay, so they must have a...
Yeah. A few teams have struggled this year to find players for this year, and they've a couple rohi have gone together.
Is that just players finishing up, or...?
It just depends on the year. A lot of stuff goes on. A lot of players play a lot of hockey throughout the year. Different family stuff can come up. You often find that you'll have more players for the local area where the tournament is turn up on that year, just because it's local, so they don't have to travel, which is always fair.
Yeah, and unfortunately hockey's not the cheapest sport to play.
Not at all. Not at all.
Fees, you know, fees are up there, and if you're travelling every week, it's soon bounce up.
It's so shout out to all the ladies that, oh, what a ball!
Good stretch, unlucky.
TY still fighting down to the last 2 minutes here. Not giving up. It's good to see.
Getting a good run, whoever this number 12 is.
Carla
Jones. But then again, we've had a few different shirt numbers here.
Yes,
so
apologies for that.
I'm saying it's the goalie, I'm sure.
I feel like you're right there, because I can't see her pads on the sideline. No, but just going out again, there's a lot of effort that goes in to get all the teams here. A lot of people put in a lot of work so that they can get a full team here. So shout out to all the people behind the scenes working around.
Yeah,
make this happen.
I know what that's like when we have teams trying to get together for Queen's birthday or the hockey championship now for Indians. It's a big ask, especially from the smaller regions. It's pretty tough getting players together, especially with the younger generation moving out of the areas as well. It's always tough.
That's it. Yeah, we find that with club hockey all the time. Kids moving away for uni.
Yep, yeah. Well, we find that in Pukekohe quite a bit, you know, but it's so close to motorways, just either way you can go north or south, so it's the unfortunate thing about it.
And that is the end there. Tai Tokerau taking it out 3-0 versus Waipounamu. It was a hard-fought game, but Tai Tokerau just came through at the end there with a bit more legs.
Yeah, that second half, eh?
That's it. Some beautiful goals there, though.
Yeah. Tiwai was still in it all the way through, eh? 3/4 of the game. They did really well. I thought just with the players they had and just their defence held it really strong. But it was just a couple of PCs and that stroke, which was unfortunate for the goalie.
Yeah, that was a real. I think that was probably the part of the nail in the coffin there with the stroke. Really decided a lot for them. Super hard to come back after a second goal like that. So that's Tai Tokerau in the finals for the women's.
This was a semi-final?
This is a semi-final here.
So is this semi-final 1 or is this semi-final 2? It doesn't tell us. Semi-final, that's all. Okay, so might have been on the other turf there, maybe, perhaps.
I think.
We'll have to find that out for you.
Yeah, I believe Tamaki was in the other semi-final.
It is a nice moment. Everyone together for the shake hands at the end.
That's it. It's definitely a moment for teams to really share with each other and get to know each other from around. You're definitely here to make a lot of friends throughout it, and I've felt that through my experience of Māori hockey. Might get to spend a lot of time here, but that's us today. We had a great game here. Thank you to everyone who's been down here watching, but we'll see you at the next game. Ka kite whānau.
Thank you, everybody.